Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Blueberry Shark Buddy. This cool item is a free shoulder accessory available in the popular online game, Roblox. To start your adventure, you'll need to enter the Blueberry clothing store experience. Don't worry about missing out. This special buddy has unlimited stock, meaning it's always available for you to earn whenever you're ready to play. Once you've loaded into the Blueberry clothing store game, your first step is to navigate inside the main building. Look for a prominent pink staircase, which will lead you upwards. Climb these stairs to reach the second floor. There, you will find a special obby teleporter. Step onto this portal to be transported directly to the exciting Shark Blocks Obby Challenge. The Shark Blocks Obby is an exciting obstacle course where precision is key. You'll need to carefully jump across various wooden planks, making sure to avoid the treacherous water below. Watch out for the large, moving sharks that patrol the area. Touching them will send you back to the start. Cleverly use the water geysers to launch yourself to higher platforms and reach the finish line. After successfully conquering the Shark Blocks Obby, you will automatically receive a special badge, confirming your achievement. Immediately following this, the Blueberry Shark Buddy will be added to your Roblox inventory. You can then equip this cool, black and red shark accessory to your avatar's shoulder. Enjoy showing off your new, free virtual companion in all your Roblox adventures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.